I'm Jason Miller from Alcatel-Lucent, and what I'll be talking about is one of our announcements that we've made this week. It's called Wi-Fi or Wireless Unified Networks. And what Wireless Unified Networks really is the blending of the Wi-Fi networks with the cellular from a data plane perspective. If we look at traditional Wi-Fi today, you've got your downlink and uplink over Wi-Fi. The problem is inherent in the Wi-Fi technology is really on the uplink. So uplink interference as I add users really degrades the performance and quality of Wi-Fi to the point where my coverage shrinks and my capacity on the downlink significantly is degraded. So what we're doing is with Wi-Fi Boost, we're introducing a concept where we take the uplink traffic off of the Wi-Fi and we put it over cellular. Could be 3G, could be 4G. And what this allows us to do is to significantly improve the performance of the existing Wi-Fi network. That's the beauty of the solution is you don't have to make any changes to the Wi-Fi network, but we're significantly improving the performance. So for a congested access point, we're seeing performance improvements of up to 70% on the downlink and an increase in up to 2x from a range perspective. So really significant improvements that can be gained on the existing Wi-Fi network by introducing this technology. And then as we move further down the technology curve, we can actually aggregate that downlink. So we've got an uplink path already to that user. We can actually put a downlink path on the LTE side, and now we've got LTE and Wi-Fi downstreaming. And so whatever capacity you add on the LTE from a channel perspective, you can add that capacity to that user. So some of the things we're doing with our partner Qualcomm, you can see speeds on the aggregation side of up to 600 megabits. So significant improvement. So if we look at what Wi-Fi Boost really means from a technology perspective, or just a quick demonstration of what that means. What I have here on my screen is I have a Wi-Fi only, and I have Wi-Fi where my uplink traffic has been moved over to cellular. And so right now it's perfect. The screens are the same. You can see there's no degradation. There's really no one else but me on this Wi-Fi access point. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start interference. It's a script that runs and it generates traffic, simulating additional users on the Wi-Fi access point. And what you'll see is that here, where I have the uplink traffic moved to wireless, to LTE, small cell, I'm still pretty seamless. No degradation whatsoever. Over here, I'm already starting to get choppy. You can really see it when you watch the people in the background walk. It's already starting to be affected from a quality, and that's just on the uplink. So that's just a visual representation of what you can do, or what you would experience when you move the uplink from Wi-Fi uplink to cellular uplink. And as I said, from a pure user perspective, when I move the uplink traffic, I see an immediate gain of 25 to 30% on that particular user just with the boost.